Assalamu alaikum to all dear students. I hope you all are very good and fine at your home. So this is your lesson of computer science and I am your computer teacher. So as you all know that in the previous lesson we were discussing how we can draw different kind of shapes by using different tools. So we will continue the previous lesson and today we are going to draw a beautiful home in Paint program. So I hope this drawing will be very interesting and motivating for you. So just watch this video at the end, and at the end you just have to draw a house and in your Paint program at your home, and then you have to share the picture with me in Google Classroom or in WhatsApp. So let's start the lesson. First of all, I will open Paint program. Okay, after opening Paint program, I will so which shape I should choose if I want to draw a home? Mahat, can you tell me? Right, I can use any shape, like whatever you want. Like for example, I will choose here a rectangle. Right, now I will choose a triangle. In this way. Okay, so now what if I want to draw a door? So I will choose again a rectangle and I will draw a door. Is it clear? Okay, so now what if how I can draw windows? Fatma, can you tell me? Right, I will choose again rectangle and I will draw two windows over here. Now I will take line tool and I will cut this line in two parts. In this way. And then at the end in this window also. So as you can see, this is looking like a house or hut. So now let me draw some lines over here. Okay, home drawing is basically based on you, what kind of shapes you are using. You have to decide by your own. Right, so now I will just choose line tool and I will draw some lines so that it will look like a hut. In this way, I will start from the top and end at this line. Is it clear? So I have drawn this hut by using different shapes. So now I will draw here a boundary. So I will use again a rectangle tool. Like this way. And then again I will just make it this kind of thin rectangle. It's a kind of line. Okay, so same on this on this side also. And in this way you can complete the lines so that it will look more nice. Okay, so now I will just simply draw some more rectangles over here. Simply I am using the rectangle shape. So in this way you can add multiple shapes. So in this way, as you can see, I have completed all my shapes. मैंने different shapes को draw कर लिया. So it will take too much time, so simply I just draw these kind of rectangles. Okay, so now what we will do, we will draw some clouds. Okay, so now let's fill some colors inside this hut. I will choose which, so if I want to fill the shape with color, so which tool I should use? Maria Salim, can you tell me? Right, which tool I should use? Right, I have to use fill with color tool, and then you can choose any color. Like if I will choose this brown, so I will just fill inside these boxes. If you want to choose some other color, then you can choose that. So if you want to fill the picture with color, then simply you have to use the fill with color tool. Is it clear? So as you can see, it's very interesting if you will draw different kind of shapes and then do the color. Okay, so now if I want to do some other color, so Faizan, can you tell me which color, which tool I should use? Right, I have to use again the fill with color tool, and then you can pick some other color. Like if I will pick the brown color and I will fill in these boxes. As you can see, you can just simply, and if you want to change the color, then you can choose some other color. Right, so let me find a brown. Okay, so this is bit shape. So Fizan, can you tell me which color I should choose if I want to fill? Right, you can choose any color, but you have to choose the tool that is fill with color. So I will just choose red color and I will fill inside this shape. Again I will choose some other color, like I will choose green and I will fill in these shapes. Right, so in this way you can fill the shape with color. So here I will choose, in the door I will choose this gray color, and you can also draw a line over here with black color so that it will look like a door. I will draw a small circle, like it will look like a handle. Right, so in this way you can draw the home. Okay, so now how we can draw different trees. Bilal, can you tell me how we can draw trees? Which tool we should use? Right, we have to choose the tool, the shape. As you can see, we have a lot of shapes here, so I will choose the shape that is with the name of cloud, so it will look like a tree. Right, so I will just draw over here a small tree type. It will look like a small tree. So in this way simply you just have to draw these small trees in paint program so that it will look like trees. and then you can also draw some trees here on both sides. Is it clear? Okay, so can anyone tell me which color I should choose if I want to fill inside the tree? Right, I have to choose the color green, right? I will pick color green. So which tool I should select? Eraser or fill with color? Herman, can you tell me eraser or fill with color? Right, I have to choose fill with color tool. So I will fill inside these trees. Just simply click inside these shapes and the color will be automatically filled in your shapes. So if as you can see कि जैसे ही मैंने इस लाइन पर क्लिक किया तो मेरा जितना भी स्ट्रक्चर था वो कंप्लीट ग्रीन कलर में हो गया. सो उसके लिए आप अंडू कर सकते हैं. यू कैन प्रेस कंट्रोल एंड जी. कंट्रोल एंड जी से क्या होगा, आपका जो पिछला वर्क होगा वो बैक हो जाएगा, वो वापस आ जाएगा, राइट. सो सिंपली जस्ट फिल द शेप with color and now I will draw a sun here. So I will choose, so which shape I should choose if I want to draw sun? Laiba, can you tell me? Right, I will choose circle with I will choose black boundary, right. So you can also select the yellow color. Now I will choose fill with color tool to fill the color with this shape, as you can see. Now if you want to draw more clouds, then what you can do, you can use this cloud shape with the black color boundary and one more. Right, so that it will look like a cloud. So you can use these shapes as it will look like cloud. Now I will just fill the color inside these shapes. So what I will do, I will just choose fill with color tool. I will select the clouds. It will look like this color, sky blue, and I will fill the color inside this cloud also. Is it clear? Okay, so at the end what you have to do, now I will just make the color. I will choose this color, sky blue type, and I will fill here. So as you can see, the drawing is now completed, but if you still want to do if you want to draw anything, then you can draw here. For example, if I want to fill the same color in this boundary, so you can fill these shapes with color, right. Okay, so in this way we will complete the drawing. So I think the drawing is completed right now. So simply what we have done, we just open paint program हमने open किया and then we use different kind of shapes. हमने different shapes को use किया and then we draw a house. So Fatma, can you tell me हमने कौन कौन सी shapes use की हैं? कौन कौन सी shapes हमने use की हैं drawing में? Right, we have draw here, line tool, rectangle, circle, and this one is your cloud call out tool. So you can use these kind of shapes and you can draw a beautiful scenery. टाइम हम इन टूल्स को एक दफ़ा फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं. सो आई विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस टू यू एंड देन यू हैव टू गिव मी द आंसर. Okay, so what is the use of fill with color tool? As you can see, we use this kind of shape. As you can see on the screen, this is like a paint bucket. So what is the use of this tool? Hadia, can you tell me? Right, this tool is basically used if you want to fill the picture with color. अगर आपने अपने किसी भी पिक्चर में शेप में कलर करना है, then you can use this tool. Is it clear? So if you want to do coloring inside your picture, then you can use this tool. After that we have pencil tool. Now what is the use of pencil tool? As you can see this kind of icon on the screen. So now what is the use of pencil tool? What is the use of pencil tool? Momina, can you tell me? Right, pencil tool is basically used if you want to draw freehand. अगर आपने free hand drawing करनी है, then you can use pencil tool. Like if I want to write here L and dot M, Lahore Maktab. So as you can see, the writing is not neat and clear. So pencil tool से आप कोई भी चीज़ टाइप कर सकते हैं. If you want to write your name, anything, then you can use pencil tool. So this you can do with the help of pencil tool. After that we have eraser tool. Now what is the use of eraser tool? As you can see, when I will use this tool, so my drawing is erased right now. So eraser tool is basically used if you want to erase your drawing, your pictures, shapes, whatever you want to erase. So what is the use of eraser tool? Eraser tool से हम drawing में कोई भी चीज़ easily erase कर सकते हैं, उसको delete कर सकते हैं, right? Okay, so after that we have text tool. As you can see the symbol on the screen, that is the name A. So now what is the use of text tool? Right, text tool is basically used if you want to write your name. Like for example, I will write here Lahore Maktab Islamic School. Whatever you want to write, you can use the text tool, and you can also adjust the size. If you want to type something in bigger font, then you can just select your text and choose the font size. As you can see, you can also make it smaller, and you can also adjust the font size. So in this way text tool is used if you want to write something. अगर आपने कोई भी चीज़ लिखनी है, then you can use text tool very easily. And then next we have the magnifier. Now as you can see on the screen, what is the use of magnifier? Hamza, can you tell me what is the use of magnifier? Right, magnifier is basically used, it will makes your image look bigger and smaller. Like मैंने इस टूल पर क्लिक किया, अब जैसे ही मैं इस पर क्लिक कर रही हूँ, सो एज यू कैन सी कि मेरी जिस पार्ट पर मैंने क्लिक किया था उसको उसने जूम इन कर दिया, उसका साइज बड़ा कर दिया. एंड इन दिस वे एज यू कैन सी, ज़्यादा बड़े करेंगे तो आपकी जो पिक्सल्स होंगे स्क्रीन के, इट विल नॉट लुक गुड. So in this way you can adjust the drawing. And at the end we have color picker tool. As you can see, now what is the use of color picker tool? Let's try one more time. मैंने यहाँ पर एक शेप ड्रा की, एक मैंने इधर शेप ड्रा की, and then I will draw one more shape over here. So मैग्नीफायर कलर पिकर से बेसिकली क्या होगा, अगर हमने ऑलरेडी इसमें कोई ना कोई कलर किया हुआ है, मैंने ग्रीन कलर कर दिया, सो कलर पिकर से क्या होगा कि हम सेम कलर, इसी कलर को पिक करके इस शेप में कर सकते हैं. किस तरह से? आई विल जस्ट सेलेक्ट कलर पिकर टूल, क्लिक ऑन दिस कलर, सो एज यू कैन सी इट विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली कन्वर्टेड इन योर फिल विद कलर टूल. सो यू कैन फिल द कलर with shape. So color picker basically picks a color from your one picture and fills inside the other picture. कलर पिकर की मदद से आप एक टूल से कलर को उठा के दूसरे टूल में या दूसरे शेप में easily fill कर सकते हैं. Is it clear? So now what you have to do, you just have to watch this video very carefully. आपने इस वीडियो को ध्यान से देखना है, and then you have to do the practice of all these tools, and then you have to draw a beautiful hut in your Paint program, and then you have to share that picture with me in Google Classroom. If you find any difficulty, then you can ask me in WhatsApp or in Google Classroom. Allah Hafiz.